Why Oil Shield? Fryer filtering and oil management is one of the highest injury-related claims in food service today. Burn prevention programs are critical in preventing costly accidents and lost time in a commercial kitchen setting. When coupled with training, Oil Shield gloves can reduce employee injuries as part of a complete oil management safety program. Oil Shield gloves have set the standard for use in commercial kitchens and are being used by some of the largest food service chains in North America and Canada. Whether you are filtering, cleaning or exchanging hot oil, dispose of oil into bins, cleaning grills, Oil Shield gloves protect you from related burns. When combined with our Oil Shield apron and proper eye and face protection, you can count on GPS to provide you with all the necessary PPE to keep your team safe. With lengths of 14 to 26 inches and multiple hand size options, we can protect any of your team members. Oil Shield gloves offer features such as hang-up loops for storage, private label options for kitchen-specific applications, inherent antimicrobial liners, rough hand finish for grip in oily and wet conditions, and much more.